If transcription is not working in Otter.ai, yeah, that can ruin your recordings and notes. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection, because Otter.ai uses cloud processing for transcription. Next, make sure your audio is clear. Background noise or low volume can affect transcription accuracy. Now check the language settings. If the wrong language is selected, transcription may fail. Try reprocessing your recording or re-uploading the file. Yeah, sometimes it just fails the first time. Make sure you're using the latest version of Otter.ai. Updates often fix transcription bugs. Finally, check your account limits. Yeah, if you've reached your transcription quota, it won't process new audio. And that's it. These steps should fix most transcription issues in Otter.ai. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.